All right, let's make some corrections here. So the first one tells us to fill in the blank with an adverb for the word final. Okay, so when I see adverb, I know most times we're going to add ly, but let's see. It is final time to head up to Grandpa's house. Yeah, so here I would say it's finally. So adverbs often add in that ly. Finally. Okay, the next one asks us to circle the adverb and underline the word it describes. So let's say he lives peacefully near the north end of a lake in Minnesota. Again, I know adverbs usually end in ly, so I know my adverb here is going to be peacefully. And it's just an adjective that describes a verb. So a word that describes the verb. And then it tells us to underline the word it describes. Again, it's describing the verb, and the verb in this sentence is lives. So how does he live? He lives peacefully. Nice. Okay, for number 3, it asks us to circle the compound word and write the 2 words that make it up. So let's start with that. He lives far out in the middle of nowhere, so it's quiet at his house. So compound word, again, is when we put 2 words and stick them together, just like my last name, Blackburn or Hillman, right? So here I see nowhere, and the 2 words that make it up are no and where. No and where. And then it also asks us to underline the possessive adjective. Possessive. All right, so he lives far out in the middle of nowhere, so it's quiet at his house. We know possessive, right? It means it's owning something. So what does he own? He owns his house. So the possessive adjective there would be his. He owns his house. All right, that's it for today. See ya.